All right, teachers, have you wanted to open a video on YouTube and have it, one, open in full screen, and two, have closed captions on by default? I got you. Jim C. Glenn here. Here's how you do it. So, for example, let's say we went off and we found a video. So, like this one here, I found a video. Click on that, and it goes and it starts, and a lot of times, it's got a bunch of stuff here. It's got other distraction things here. Sometimes it'll have things on the side, and you don't necessarily want that. So let's stop that and go back to my presentation. So here's the deal. You can actually change that little slash watch question mark v equals, and then everything after that is the actual name of the video. You can change that to slash embedded slash and then the name of the video. So in the URL, just delete that section slash watch question mark v equals, and change that to slash embed slash and then the name of your video, right? The actual code name of the video, and that'll actually open it in full screen. So now if I click on that one, right, it opens up in full screen. It's ready to click on. It's full screen. I can't scroll up and down. There's no other distracting things there. So bam, that's awesome, right? All right. So the last thing though is, what about opening it with closed captions? Because really, to just automatically be equitable to students that you might have that are in the back of the room, maybe can't see very well, hard of hearing, have IAPs, and other issues, like, just do it. Just make it so that closed captions are just automatically on, and you don't have to think about it. You don't have to think about, you know, uh, doing those accommodations that you might be required to do, um, with the student population that you have. So I'm just doing it automatically. So now what you can do is you can take that exact same URL where you have put the little embed in already, so it's already opening at full screen, and then at the end of the video, the actual address of the video, the code for the video, you put question mark CC underscore load underscore policy equals 1. And what that does is it just basically says, hey, we're going to have closed captions just turn on automatically, and this will make that actually happen automatically for you. So then, if I click on that link, now it opens up, and when I start playing it, it's got closed captions already there, right? Cool, right? Hope this helps. Take care. See you later.